Hello, my name is Radu, and I'm a senior architect in charge of Uniquity Web, one of Andrexen Lab's newest products. This is the web-based component of our Uniquity suite, which features desktop and mobile versions of this service. So what is Uniquity? Uniquity is a cross-platform communication tool that harnesses the power of HTML5, enabling it to function not just across multiple desktop platforms, but across several mobile ones as well. And since it runs in the browser, you do not need any plugins. The interface should feel immediately familiar to anyone who's used online chat before. Over here, we have the main window, containing the contact list and their current presence. More tabs can be opened to display additional content, like the visual voicemail or the user's communication history. But more on that later on. At the top, we can change our presence information or avatar. Being a unified communication tool, we can of course dial out a mobile number using the dial pad and interact with automated systems via DTMF using the same dial pad. For now, let's start a chat with one of our contacts. Let's see how Cosmin is doing. As one might expect of a modern communication system, file transfers, audio-video calls, and screen sharing are all possible at the same time. To initiate a file transfer, I can select a file using the Open File dialog, but using drag and drop is much more fun. I'm just going to grab a PDF from outside the recording area, bring it into view, and drop it here. And as you can see, a transfer invite has been sent. Maybe we should have a video call to discuss the file I just sent. We can start an HD call, but for optimal bandwidth, the streamed quality can vary. Cosmin will answer in a standard stream, while we broadcast in high definition. Hello Cosmin, did you get my file?
Yep.
Yeah, I wanted to show you something in that file. Would you mind starting screen sharing?
I don't know.
So now I'm just going to start a screen share and be able to control Cosmin's PC. Of course, this feature can work in read-only mode as well, so people can use it as a presentation tool. So let's click on accept. And now we have the document, which we can browse and select, for example, a paragraph, so I can show Cosmin what we want to talk about. But maybe we should leave this discussion for a later time. I'm going to close this, and maybe Cosmin can show us Uniquity's new visual voicemail interface.
Sure, my pleasure.
One of the new features in Uniquity is the visual voicemail module, accessible through this icon here. The notification above it shows me that I have one new voicemail. Let's see it. Loading up the tab, a list of all available voicemails is displayed, complete with controls for each of them. Let's play this new message.
Hello Cosmin, please don't forget about our meeting at 10 o'clock. Bye.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching.